The Philadelphia Experiment. In the summer of 1943, at the height of World War II, a US Navy destroyer escort called the USS Eldridge was said to have vanished from the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. According to legend, military scientists were testing a top-secret technology designed to make ships invisible to enemy radar, but something went terribly wrong. Witnesses claim to have seen the ship shimmer in an eerie green-blue haze, flicker, and disappear entirely, only to reappear moments later in Norfolk, Virginia, over 200 miles away. When it returned to Philadelphia, the horror began. Crew members were said to be disoriented, nauseous, and terrified. Some reportedly fused into the ship's metal bulkheads, their bodies half embedded in steel. Others vanished entirely, or reappeared only to go mad. The Navy, of course, denied everything, calling the story a fabrication. But rumours persisted, fueled by strange letters and testimonies from a man named Carlos Allende, who claimed to have witnessed the event from a nearby merchant ship. His letters described a government experiment that didn't just bend light, it bent space and time itself. The theory went that the Navy had adapted ideas from Albert Einstein's unified field theory, using intense electromagnetic fields to warp space-time around the ship. Invisibility, in this case, wasn't camouflage. It was teleportation. If true, it would mean the Eldridge briefly slipped out of our dimension, existing in another plane before returning. It was a breathtaking and terrifying idea that humans, in their hunger for wartime advantage, had accidentally opened a door they couldn't control. Skeptics point out that no records support the experiment's existence, and the Eldridge's service logs place it elsewhere during the supposed test. Historians call the story a hoax born from misinterpretation, exaggeration, and post-war paranoia. Still, the myth refuses to die. It's been linked to later government programs like the alleged Montauk Project and to decades of speculation about military manipulation of space, time, and human perception. Perhaps the truth lies somewhere between imagination and science. During that era, radar cloaking and electromagnetic research were real and deeply classified. To a sailor glimpsing strange naval tests, the line between physics and the supernatural might blur. And so the Philadelphia Experiment endures, not as a verified event, but as a modern myth that captures humanity's deepest fears and desires, that our reach may exceed our understanding, that the boundaries of reality might be thinner than we think, and that somewhere in the archives of war, the US Navy may have glimpsed the machinery of the universe itself.